Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to show you what are the three major things you should check in the Realme GT Neo 2 once after your unboxing is done. Yes friends, this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to make a video on this particular topic. So three major things regarding the display only. Yes, these are the something you should definitely understand if you buy the Realme GT Neo 2. So right now in this video, I'm not trying to target or I'm not trying to highlight any kind of thing in these problems in this phone. So I'm just trying to share the information, whatever I'm getting the feedback from the comments only. Only based on the comments and real users feedback only I was able to do this kind of video. So don't think in any other manner. So once after you check these three things, if there is no problem, then that's good to go, no problem. If you have the problem, then definitely you need to apply for the replacement or return, or it's up to you to decide what are the choices. But this is a type of video which I already did plenty of other videos as well on other smartphones. For example, Mi11X device, iQOO 7 smartphone, and Poco F3 GT, OnePlus Nord 2. These are the phones I did already covered. What are the things you should check after you do the unboxing? So this is not the first time I'm trying to do on this phone, and don't think I'm trying to target this phone. So I have done all the testings in other smartphones as well. Similarly, all the phones I'll try to treat in same manner. So that's the one thing you should definitely understand. So three things which the Realme GT users can face regarding the display. Not all the users, only few users. I'm trying to mention not all the users, only few users may face these problems. So first thing is regarding the rainbow effect which is present. So rainbow effect means basically if you try to keep any kind of white background. So this is a white background, as you can see exactly. So right now whenever I try to tilt the mobile phone, you will be able to see some kind of rainbow kind of colors effects, as you can see friends clearly. So you'll be able to see some kind of weird colors is happening at this moment. So this kind of rainbow colors can be found only in few phones, depends upon the panels what type of manufacturer is using. So it's not the new problem which is first time found in this phone. Previously also I did see similar kind of rainbow effects in other smartphones. So is a Realme X1 Max, which I'm trying to take an example, is a Realme GT Neo 2 as well. Just to show you what is happening with the other Realme phones, you will be able to see the Realme that rainbow effect at the end of the phone. As you can see in this spot, you will be able to spot the rainbow effect. I'm not sure whether you'll be able to notice in the camera or not, but yes. So this, even if you apply for the replacement or return, so it doesn't matter what unit you choose. Maybe it must be having in most of the smartphones, but I cannot guarantee. So that's the reason I'm trying to mention you before itself. Not all the phones, maybe few phones will be having this kind of rainbow effect. If you want, you can try for applying for the replacement as well for this kind of problem. And next thing is regarding the yellowish kind of color and warm type of color. As you can see, these are the comments which I'm getting on this Realme GT Neo 2. As I said, these are not coming from me, friends. Don't say that my unit is problem, only your problem, your unit only the problem. It's not only my unit. In few of the users, I did get so many comments, because I will be reading all the comments. You cannot read all the comments, but I can read each and every comment what I'm getting. I'm trying to take a screenshot whenever I get a comment. And if you want, you can check the Flipkart reviews as well. There are also a couple of users that didn't mention same thing. So display yellow type problem, bro. I said cool, but not so cool. Only warm type display, very bad for me. It's irritating for my eyes. So not only this one user did complain, there are a couple of other users also who mentioned the same thing. Let me just show you the same comments which I got in this phone. As you can see, these are the other comments which I got. So my Realme GT Neo 2 looks kind of yellowish. If I remove the plastic glass, will it be solved or not? I don't think even if you remove the plastic glass will solve, because if you remove the plastic, this transparent glass, you need to use any other transparent glass, right? I mean, any other tamper glass. So whenever you use any kind of glass, so definitely you're going to see yellowish kind of color. Even if it removes, when you try to remove the screen protector, but still you need to use a tamper glass and the yellowish problem may come. Yes, I did notice the yellowish kind of color. When I compare with the Realme phones, I'm not comparing with any other different company. No, I'm not comparing. I'm just comparing with the side-by-side Realme phones. So Realme X1 Max and Realme GT. When I compare with them, I did feel slightly kind of little bit yellowish kind of color in terms of the white background when I try to keep side-by-side. So it's not that warm and not that white in my opinion. That's what I did mention previously as well. So I did not use any kind of eye comfort, nothing is enabled. I did do the default settings only. I did not even select the warm option. So this kind of thing which I thought of mentioning for you all. So even if you try to select this kind of vivid or gentle or brilliant, you will be able to see some kind of little bit kind of warm effect will be there. So it doesn't matter how many options you enable and disable, little bit. So little bit for me, it's not that problematic, but that's what I'm trying to mention to you. So in case if you feel like a problem, you can definitely apply for the replacement. So overall for me, friends, rainbow effect and this yellowish kind of color, it's not that bothering for me. So because this is not my everyday usage phone, right? Obviously that's another thing, but for you, it's gonna be everyday usage phone. So you need to decide what are these problems will affect you or not. And the final problem is about the black color crush issue. So that's another thing a few of the users also mentioned. And regarding the black color crush issue also, I did get a couple of comments. As you can see, friends, I'm trying to show you all the comments as well. What are the black color crush issue? As you can see, these are the comments which I'm getting on the black color crush issue. Not one users, I did take a couple of screenshots as well. That's the reason I'm trying to mention to you. So if you're having the black color crush issue, if you notice, try to watch the couple of videos which are in the dark color scenario and maybe in the black color environment. Try to watch those type of videos. So this is a trailer which I'm trying to watch, which is a Batman trailer which I'm trying to watch, as you can see. So not only this trailer, so try to watch any other trailer, doesn't matter. You'll be able to see some kind of this kind of black color crush issue, as you can see. So these are the details which you can actually see at this moment. I'm trying to play in the very slow motion so that you can actually concentrate. This is what they call the black color issue. So try to watch different videos when it doesn't matter. Not only this trailer, I'm not trying to mention only this trailer. Try to watch different videos and then get a confirmation that your phone was okay. So maybe there must be only that one video. So try to watch a couple of videos, maybe close to 20 videos, 20 to 30 videos. Try to watch in the trailers or any kind of black kind of environment type of videos. Try to keep in the full brightness and try to check what is going on, and try to change the settings as well in the display option. Try to change the screen color mode, maybe try to use different enhancement options, and try to decrease the refresh rate option, and try to put in 60 Hz and try to check the videos. So you need to try this kind of multiple things before actually you coming into the conclusion what is happening with the phone. Should you return or should you apply for the replacement? So these are the 3 things which you should definitely check in the Realme GT Neo 2. I'm trying to mention again and again, I'm not trying to target this phone or anything. I'm trying to just do my best to share the information for the users, because you should not be realizing this kind of things after expiring of your replacement or any of your order, or maybe the return time period. That's my main point of making this video, and I'm trying to upload as soon as possible, because previously I did get a lot of comments saying that I did see this video after my replacement period has been expired, and I have this kind of problem. That's the reason I'm trying to upload this video as soon as possible, friends. So don't think that I'm targeting this phone. And previously, as I said, I did upload on all the smartphones. No phone is perfect phone. Every phone has got its own advantages and disadvantages. So you need to decide whether those advantages gonna bother you, your usage and your experience or not. That's the one thing. Because for me, for example, 3.5mm jack, this is another biggest disadvantage. But for me, this disadvantage is very minor one, because most of the time I'll be using only Bluetooth earphones and I won't play that many games. So it's not that big concern for me. In this way, you need to categorize what is happening with the disadvantages. So make sure to let me know in the comment section below what are your problems. If you're facing any kind of issues with the Realme GT Neo 2, definitely I'll do my best to address that kind of issue. And I'll ask my feedback from other users who are actually using the device. So that's what all the comments came from, who are having the device only, not only me. So that's the reason, friends, I'm trying to show you for every comment, for every problem, I'm trying to show you the comment also what I got. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.